Hi, so today I'll be painting my denim jacket. I got two denim jackets over here. I'll try to paint, all my denim jacket. One is this flower, Jhope flower, and one is the Hope World picture, which I'll insert here. Anyway, so just a disclaimer, I am not professional. I am not a art student. I don't have any knowledge in painting or art before, so if I'm doing this wrong, forgive me. I'm just someone who want to try something. This is the acrylic paint I got. This is the cheapest one I got, so I just got it from an ordinary stationery shop. So you can get it. I just got the basic color. Initially my friend told me to get a 3 tube instead of small one, because that's a way for you to save money as well. So just get 3 color, the yellow, red and blue, and 1 white. So you can just mix and match, so you can save money. So over here I got white, yellow, red, blue, green, and this one is like a dark brown. It's not black though, so I'm gonna figure out how to. Yes. And I got some brush as well, because I don't have any brush here. This one is the unicorn. The cheapest one I can get. Here's some instruction, I guess. I printed this out because I wanted to trace it on my jacket later, because I am not that good at drawing, and drawing circle will, it's like a disaster. So I'll be tracing it, So let's get started. Okay, also I put a board over here because I don't want to stain the table. Okay, as you can see, I use a thicker paper to cut out the shape of the picture. So it's a lot easier for me to trace it on the cloth. And at first I used the pencil, but because it's dark in color, so it's very hard for me to see. So I decided to change it in, using the white color pencil. So it's easier and a lot obvious for me to see it, even though you can't really see it in the video. So after done with the outer shape, I cut out the inside, the inner circle, so I can draw it, because I have no confidence in drawing circle freehand. So I just cut out the shape and then just draw accordingly. So after that, I googled about how to mix the color into black, because I've really, I've written everything to my teacher, and I didn't take any art classes before, and I have no idea about the color theory or anything. So I just googled it, and so here I am with a the black color. I'm just outlining the shape, so it's easier for me to fill in the color later. And here comes the fun part, which is coloring. And I forgot to paint it with white first, because I want the color to show more vibrantly and more obvious under the dark background. So I'll just paint it with white color as a base, and then just fill in the color later on. And because the brush I own is not that delicate, it's not that thin and sharp, is that the word? So I always outline, over color the border, so it looks a bit messy, but I think it's fine, because you just have fun. You don't have to be perfect like always, so just have fun. And now I'm just painting the color in according to, you know, the picture. And I'm coloring the hair right now, and I also mix the color a bit, so because the original brown color is too dark, so I just make it into a lighter brown. And now I'm drawing the hair and the heart-shaped mouth, and I decided to paint it in pink, but I just stopped it there. I didn't draw the eye or anything because I don't want to ruin the cuteness. So far it's cute, you know, so maybe after I got a more nicer brush I would draw the eye. So here's me wearing the jacket after drawing the Jhope flower on it. It looks a lot nicer than I thought, and it's really cute, you know. It's like a pop of color on a very dull color. Sorry. So it's really cute. I like the color very much. It's very vibrant, and I really like it. And I will try to paint my red denim jacket tomorrow or for the next few days, because the Jhope one is more complicated and it might take some time. So I'll try to make it as soon as possible.